You want to do
You
study
have
with
a talent of the
earning
singing.
money, for getting employment, because we know
make some of the
they
reels.
can learn lots of everything has a like good.
Friends, good morning. How are you? Good and you? I'm good, and today we are going to play GD, group discussion. And in this game, we have to speak on points why we like. What is the topic? Social media. Yeah, social media is good or bad. It's not debate. We don't have to cut the points. We have to appreciate the points and we have to put the points. So, are you ready? Yes. Yeah. So now, who will start first?
Sandeep sir.
Very good. Clap for Sandeep.
So good morning. Good morning. So I'm favoring the of social media. It is very good. First I'm telling what is the reasons. So maybe lots of the reasons. If you want to do study with the help of social media, so you can do study and you don't need to go one place to another. With the help of social media, you can save our time, as well as maybe if your content is very good. So with the help of social media, you can easily earn money. And a part of this, maybe if you want to crack any type of government exam, so with the help of social media, you can also do. And maybe nowadays the social media, it is very important for each and every person. The reason is with the help of social media, you can start our business and you can also run our business, as well as if you want to go one place to another place with the help of Google Maps, so you can easily go without any type of disturbance. A part of this, maybe nowadays with the help of social media, we are connected to our friends. Maybe your friend is living in a part of your state, so you can easily connect with the help of social media. WhatsApp, Facebook and Instagram, they are very popular social sites. With the help of these sites you can do. And nowadays the YouTube, it is a very, as you can see, big platform to learn, and any type of, if you want to learn anything, so you can learn. So I think the social media, it is boon for us.
So good morning all of you. Good morning. So according to me, social media is very good because everything which is made by the human, it is very good, but there are lots of advantage and the disadvantage of the everything which is made by the human. So same things apply on the social media. Social media is a very good platform. We can present ourselves, we can show our talent. If you have a talent of the singing and the dance, you can upload your video, you can upload your songs. So these kind of the good things you can do on the social media. But there are the bad points of the social media, because there are lots of people who are using social media in a whole day. They don't know how much time they are spending on the social media. They are continuously using like the 4 to 5 hours, because they think that for the 15 minutes and the 20 minutes I will spend on the social media, but they forget the time. It will convert in the 2 and the 3 hours. So it is a very bad things. And there are lots of things we can do on the social media. We can do the advertisement of the things, because if you have any kind of the particular business, so on that time you can show the advertisement on the social media. So there are the lots of good points. According to me, social media is a good for us.
ये सही है, आपको गुड दोनों ही हो सकते हैं.
Okay, so good morning guys.
Good morning.
How are you all?
Good and you?
Yeah, I'm also good. So today we are playing a GD game in which the topic is social media. So the math thinking is about the social media is that we all know the familiar with the social media, okay? And we can say that the social media is biggest platform for all over the world, and all the peoples are using the social media in a different way. You can say that like the some peoples are using social media for the earning money, for getting employment, because we know the how much the unemployment is increasing day by day in all over the world. So it's a boon for the persons who are doing a jobs as in the social media, like as an influencer. So it was great sign. If I talking about the education, so in the education it was also a great boon for the student, because in this pandemic time, in the other times, like right now the lots of the people have not much time to go in the colleges and the schools to getting educations in a regular basis. So they have a boon for that persons. They are also getting educations by the help of social media in a very well manner, because in the social media we have seen the explanations. The explanation was great and the understanding in the social media was great. That's why the people are also choose the social media for in the education purpose. So that is the things.
Okay, good morning all of you. Good morning. How are you? Good and you? I'm also good. So we are supporting of the social media. Why is it good and not? So I want to give some of the points. Who those are students, they don't have any that much time. But apart from that time, when they got some of the time, that time they can use social media and they can do study very easily. And you know, time is most important right now, and we can do lot of the business by the social media, because we have reels option also. Lot of make some of the reels which is about to their study, about their history, about anything. So by these things we can be learn lot of the things. And social media, we all are seeing it is running too much high level, because we are seeing there is a lot of influencer, they are getting lot of the money. And right now we have the lot of the faces. Elvish Yadav, he is a biggest influencer, because he came to Big Boss also. Now he is a big fame in front of the us. So it's a good point from their side. If you want to increase your level, so you can be use social media, and you can be earn lot of the monies also. It doesn't matter where you are, you can be used anywhere. So it is a good point.
Okay, hello. I hope you all are well. Okay, every coin has two faces. Firstly, I want to say that social media is good and somewhere it's a bad, but depend on the person to person. And but apart from it, I can say that there are lots of platforms are available. We can earn lots of money, because in this era, money is not God, but not less than God. And apart from it, if that student who will not able to pay the fees, that time they can learn lots of coaching, they can learn lots of theory or maybe practical from the social media. And apart from it, my institute name is International Institute, and provide lots of basic English classes on the social media, maybe on YouTube also, and we can learn lots of things from that platform also. And apart from it, according to me, social media is very good, because my friend also make some reels, as well as my educator provide lots of videos on the education, and we can earn lots of money.
So good morning all of you. Good morning. I hope you are well. So I would like some points I have like related to social media, ki why social media is good, why social media is bad, because everything has a two faces, also good faces and bad faces. So if talk about like good faces, so because nowadays I am doing a job, so that's the reason I haven't lots of time. But why the social media, I am nowadays preparing to SSC exam, so that's the reason I take the some classes by the social media. You know that like everything has a like great, you know that like some people also make very bad video by the social media. So you know that a child also addict to bad videos, so that's why it is bad for our side. Because I found to Virat Kohli, because I'm a very big fan of the Virat Kohli, so by the social media I'm very easily connect to why the Virat Kohli which think it's very important how to like play Virat Kohli. So that's why reason it is very important. But you know that like if talk like communication skills, nowadays communication skills is very important, how to communicate, because before I haven't any like lots of friend in my life. So that's the reason why the like YouTube, by the Instagram, because people also lots of people also there. So I am very easily communicate to some people how to speak, how to like remove my hesitation. We know that like we have also lots of questions, but we haven't any kind of the like answer. So why the social media we are very easily find to answer. So that's why reason it is very important for our side.
Okay, so good morning to all of you. Good morning. How are you? Fine. I am also good. So my name is Ananya, and today we are going to play a GD game. So in which we have to discuss about the social media. So you know what, the now in our time, the social media is really important for everyone, because without social media we can't live nothing. Because you know what, like now in our time, like our life becomes too much complicated. So on that time we have to remove the complicated kinds of things. We need some kind of the social media. You know what, like as my team member that's mentioned, the like Elvish Yadav, like he is a one kind of a popular man, you know what, by the social media, because he make the reel on the social media, and like he earn lots of money by the social media. So suppose that like those children who are not like able to go outside, like because of some problem, so they can like take the online classes by the social media. So it is really important for everyone. So suppose that like if we are not good in the cooking, so we can like see lots of videos which is regarding to the cooking. So by the social media we can like increase our everything which we really want to in our life, because social media is a one of that it is the like one platform there we can like we can show our talent, so which we have. So by the social media like we can show our talent, and by the social media like we can earn lots of money. So it is really important to every person.
Okay, first of all, whatever you all said, it's totally a good point. I totally agree with to you all. And my point of view is that social media is good for us, and the other side we can say that social media is not good for us, because every coin has a two faces. So we can say that similarly social media has a two faces. Somewhere we can say that we harm the natures, we harm to ourselves. We can say that by using a lot of social media we can harm our eyes, we can back paining, we can face this kind of the problem. In the other side we can say that we get a lot of thing by in the bargaining side. You can say that you are able to do not bargaining to yourself. There is online platform available where you can find easily your product, where you can not able to if you are not able to do bargaining, so you can easily your product. In the other side, if you are hesitate to return your product, so maybe social media help to return your product. There is no compulsion, you have to clear your things, there is no compulsion. So we can say that in these study things, if a student is not available, if a student can't understand the subject, so there are another option, they can easily search anything and they can learn their self to anywhere. We can say that there are lots of platform available Instagram, WhatsApp, and chat GTP, Googles. There are lots of platforms, so you can see that by these things you can able to increase your knowledge and you can get a lot of things. That's it.